guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a very special sneaker to show you guys. We got the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Force Ones. We're going to be giving you guys our overall thoughts and opinions about this sneaker, how this sneaker compares to the other Travis Scott released sneakers in 2019, and why we chose to pick up this sneaker.
And guys, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because this sneaker has a bunch of interesting materials and it's going to be very interesting in style. So make sure you stay tuned and we're going to show you guys how we style it.
Guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing to show you guys how the sneaker came in the box. It comes with this really cool box. This is not your standard Air Force One box. Has like a cutout in the front. I think that says Cactus Jack in Russian. Guys, it comes with two pair of laces. We're gonna be using we already switched out the lace. We're gonna be using like this off-white lace. Comes with. It's gonna jump right in. This is a sneaker. This is a beautiful pair of sneakers. Get both of them, put them aside so we can break down some of the materials. And guys, first I'm gonna talk about the outsole. The outsole is like gum bottom, which is really cool. And the midsole is like this sail color, which is really cool also. And there's canvas throughout the sneaker. It's like a lot of canvas and like a lot of corduroy also. And guys, the toe box is like this tumble leather. It's really soft and it has this butter-like suede also. This is really nice. One unique thing about this sneaker is this shroud. It's made of canvas and corduroy. And guys, I'm gonna be taking it off personally because I want to see the sneaker, the shape. The shroud kind of changed the shape of the sneaker, so I'm gonna be taking it off to see that Air Force One shape. You guys should get this sneaker if you guys missed out on the previous Air Force One that Travis Scott dropped in 2017 and 2018. Guys, Travis Scott has been making his wave in the sneaker community for a while now. It started back in 2017 when he dropped the Air Force Ones in their white colorway. We always wanted that sneaker, but we couldn't get our hands on them because they were super exclusive. And right now, if you try to pick them up, they cost a lot. So we're not even gonna think about that one. So when these drop, we had to get these ones because not because I'm a big fan of the Air Force Ones, and I always wanted a Travis Scott Air Force Ones, especially this one. This one has so many materials.
My overall first impression of this sneaker was a lot different from the previous Air Force Ones. This one has a lot of different elements to the sneaker. It has this shroud that they added to the sneaker. It has a bunch of different materials. The other ones was based off of the classic Air Force One, and he just did a bunch of twist to it. He added his own twist to the sneaker.
The swoosh, he just changed the swoosh and
the material. He added the canvas material, which is more durable. But in terms of this one has the canvas material and it has a bunch of other materials. It has leather. Yeah, it has corduroy. It has this burlap material. I think it's made based off of a jacket. So it's gonna be very different. There's a pattern going on with sneakers nowadays. Most sneakers are using deconstructed materials. Most sneakers the Union Air Jordan 1s, how they took two Jordan 1 sneakers and combined into one. But this one, it reminds me of jackets. How he cut out different pieces from each jackets, a leather jacket maybe, a camel jacket, different jackets, and just sewed it in the shoe, and it makes the shoe really unique and vintage. Guys, one thing I don't really like the shroud. I'm gonna be taking it out because I want to see the laces. We already switched it out and put the cream lace because I didn't really like the lace that came with it. The cream lace make the sneaker really unique. It makes the sneaker pop a little bit more than if you wore with the lace that it came with. It came with I think a burgundy lace. So it's gonna be a lot toned down than these cream laces. This sneaker stands out more than the previous Air Force Ones. It's way more loud, especially now in the winter time. If you wear these, this is gonna really stand out. I like how he went all out with this one with every material you can find on every sneaker on the planet. This sneaker has 6 materials on it. So this is a really unique pair of sneakers. And we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. I know you guys have seen a lot of reviews on YouTube about this sneaker. So we put together a detailed on feet showing you guys how to style this sneaker. Before we get into the on feet, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys should go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. And please turn on your post notifications because guys, we're gonna be dropping a lot of sneaker review videos as we go into 2020. and you guys don't want to miss that, so you guys should subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Guys, please drop a like down below. Shows your support. Please drop a like, share the video if you guys found it helpful, and drop a comment down below as well. Tell us if you guys are gonna pick up some of the sneakers that's coming out as the year comes to an end. And until then, guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.